Hi everybody, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. So today has been a day because I get home and I was supposed to have a chiropractic visit this morning, but I was so tired that I drove home and I was like, okay, I will sleep a couple hours and then I'll go back. But I didn't because I was too tired and I didn't wake up. But anyway, I get home and I see a cat that looks like that under my carport, and I'm like, that cat looks oddly like my Luna. And I know the other cat that looks like her. There's two of them. One of them lives a couple blocks that way, and the other one got its tail run over or whatever, attacked by a dog. I don't know. It's up in this package over top. And I was like, there's no way that's my cat. And then I got to look at it, and I'm like, Luna? Is that you? And so I chased her into kind of like my storage area out there. That wasn't good. My lid wasn't on great. I give her some food to keep her there, and then I check my entire house, and I'm like, that's my cat. I don't know how she got outside, but she was out there. So, I called my husband, I'm like, hey, did you let Luna out by chance? He goes, no. Even all the windows are closed too, so I don't know how she got out. I'm like, interesting. So I don't know how she got out. But I brought her in. She hissed at me and was very upset. But I did it anyway because I'm boss. She's not. Anywho, now she's back inside, and we're gonna have to be so much more careful to monitor where she's at. Okay, so the next thing, I got the Kiala Super Greens because they're all over TikTok. I tried the blooms. I'm not the biggest fan of them. Sometimes you can get them to taste okay. Other times, they're just not for me, but they're just supposed to be better tasting. This one's in Tropical Splash. You put 8 to 12 ounces of water into your shaker/cup. Add 1 serving of your Kiala greens to your shaker cup. Shake or stir for around 20 seconds. So we're going to just do this. I'm going to take it's just water and guesstimate. Okay, let's take our 1 scoop of powder. Starting off, this does not have as bad as a smell to me as is this. Does this not come with the scoop? Oh, there's the scoop. Oh my god, okay, only complaint the scoop is so far in there that I just wasted crap ton of stuff. Okay, anyway. This is supposed to be like balloons, so we're going to take our scoop. Make a mess apparently because that's what I do best. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this back in. It already smells better than bloom. Please don't play with that. Let's give her the good mixy mix. Actually, this smells pretty good. Millie, no ma'am. Bring that here. Bring it here. Millie. Give me 1 second and we'll give it a taste test. Hi. Go play, but not with the dog food, okay? Come here. We don't play with the dog food, okay? It's too expensive. Millie! No, ma'am. No. Move. Sorry about that. Bless my child, but she can be mean. I just bought dog food today, and their dog food cost me $119 something. And I ain't wasting that crap. And she was taking it out. Alright. It smells good. Let's give it a good old taste test. Okay, actually that is drinkable. That is actually enjoyable without adding anything. What? Are you eating your crackers? No, I can't trust you with it. You don't need that. Ma'am. Pick her up from daycare and she's a nightmare. What? I can admit, this is actually really good. Stop, you're not getting any of this. This is definitely better than Bloom, at least taste-wise to me. This is all my, Millie, stop it. This is all, hey, go play with this, go play with this. This is all my opinion, so, I gotta go, my house is chaotic. Bye, guys.